are you guys doing? So this vlog is all about my marriage anniversary and a weekend trip to Bournemouth. It just takes 2 hours from London to reach Bournemouth. So again, I'm going to a seaside town after Brighton. You guys must be thinking that Shanu always loves going to seaside place. Yes, but this time the reason is Christmas. So Bournemouth has organized a Christmas tree wonderland. So this wonderland is going to be a very beautiful Christmas celebration, and there's going to be a lot of illuminations, like more than 100 Christmas trees. It's going to be lighted, and there's going to be Christmas markets, ice skating rink, and a lot more. It's for this reason that I am visiting Bournemouth, and also because of the sea. So Christmas, Holi and Diwali, all these are my favorite festivals. So yes, let's just start with all the packing and let's begin. And here's Sid watching Breaking Bad and making parathas.
Paneer paratha.
Paneer paratha. Let's just see. So cute.
Please hold me close and let me stay until the sunrise. Just say you'll hold me forever.
So this is our hotel room. Really tiny and basic one. And this is the view. And here's the bathroom with a very cute bathtub. And there's me.
Hi guys. So it looks like I've hacked Shanu's vlog. We are now heading to a vegan restaurant for lunch. So see you guys there.
Yay! So yeah, like Sid said, we are heading to Mad Cucumber. It's a very good vegan restaurant here in Bournemouth. So finally we are settled in our tiny hotel room. So we didn't get any Airbnbs because since it was last minute booking, we couldn't find anything in the city center, and this was the only hotel in the city center. The Christmas tree wonderland is right here in the city center. So there's this trail and we need to follow that. So that will be done in the evening. Now we are off to eat something.
At least for tonight. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while.
Hey guys, so we just got back to hotel and rested a bit, and now we are all set to visit the trail. So I'll show you guys how the trail looks like. So this is the trail that we need to follow. This is Christmas Tree Wonderland Trail. We got this from the internet. They have this trail on their site. So if you want to visit, you can get it from there. I'm going to post the link in the description box. So we have got all the illuminations here, starting from the seafront, that is number 1, and then there are a lot of lightings, and then there's an ice skating rink, Christmas market, and all of that. So we need to cover all of it. So let's go.
And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand.
So right now we are going to the big wheel, and
It's the big wheel.
oh my god, it's right there. So beautiful. Let me show it to you guys.
My hand, I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay.
There's a giant wheel, and the train starts from here.
Stay a while. I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while.
So Sid, how did you like the first tree?
Oh, it's amazing. I mean, look at the size of this tree and the decoration and everything.
Seriously.
Mind-blowing.
And there are so many more illuminations. Now the trail starts. Let me show it to you guys.
I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I love it. And it's completely pink. Wow.
I said let me stay a while. No, no, I don't need a degree to know this ain't love at first sight. 'Cause I know how this works, I got my ABCs right.
Hey guys, so we just got done with exploring the Wonderland and had dinner, and right now we are off to hotel. So yes, I'll just end this vlog for today. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? So it's day 2 here in Bournemouth and it's our marriage anniversary. It was raining since morning and I couldn't vlog at all. Today we are exploring the town and it's really pretty. Now we are off to an Indian restaurant nearby. So yes, for an Indian lunch.
Please hold me close and let me
So I'm just taking a moment and going to have a picture at this upside down house. Look at this house.
tonight.
And here's this teddy bear.
Someone I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night.
Hey guys, so we are under the umbrella because it's raining and we are vlogging, and also we are spending some us time and we are just exploring the city center, and we will be going to the seaside front tomorrow. Today we are just in the city center and we're just, you know, randomly walking and just going in cafes and just drinking coffee and all that stuff. But nonetheless, the thing is, Bournemouth is really beautiful, and if you're coming to London, make sure that you come to Bournemouth because it's just 2 hours of drive and you can just have this amazing small town experience. So did you enjoy?
Of course I did. It's a lovely place.
It is, it is.
I said let me stay a while. And I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while.
Important, right?
Hey guys, what's up? So it's day 3 here in Bournemouth and today is the last day here. We'll be leaving around 3 o'clock and it's a very beautiful sunny morning. I didn't expect this kind of weather because yesterday it was raining so heavily. So we are going to the seafront because this is a perfect day to, you know, have a beach time. It is a bit chilly here, but it's fine, like, you know, we can explore the beach and also the pier. So yes, and also before that we'll just grab some breakfast and then we'll go.
ABC's right. Oh, so let's play pretend. Say you'll be the one for me. Say you'll be the one for me forever. I know this will end tonight, but you'll be the one for me.
So there's the beach.
So let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while.
We are going to have a ride in the sea.
I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while.
Oh, khade mat ho. Look at the view.
I said let me stay a while.
Hey guys, so finally we are back home. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 days with me. And yes, if you guys have any suggestions regarding the places that I should visit or things that I should do, then do comment and let me know. I'm ending this vlog right here. Bye for now.
I said let me stay a while.